Hi, and today I'm going to be doing a Futwiz pack opening, another Futwiz pack opening, to see if I've got anyone else. Probably not, but, you know, so slow. Here, packs. First pack, got Rodriguez, that's alright. Next pack, I am going to get Atto. Next pack, Futwiz. Right. Next pack. Come on. Cassius. Dumbia. Next pack. Just leave it. Actually being serious, it was like full on Messi and Ronaldo. Yeah, info Messi and we got info Messi, then Ronaldo. And inform. Oh, Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, good. Finally. More packs. Oh, got Nashi there, please. More packs. I want more packs. Only if I could open packs like this in FIFA 15. Oh, Messi, yes. Only if I could open packs like this, like in FIFA 15. It'd be so good. And inform. Yes, so good. I got an inform and another. Got another inform, man. This is a good pack opening. Ronaldinho. Another pack. Do like after a few more packs, I'll do like a few more. Just I don't want to be too long, you know. I got Hazard. Oh, it's not the good Hazard. Next pack. Miller. Close, whatever. You want really good. Come on, give me like Ronaldo or Messi again. No, it's not Ronaldo or Messi. Ronaldo or Messi. Ronaldo or Messi. That's how Higuain. Ronaldo or Messi. Ronaldo or Messi. Ronaldo or Messi. No. Right. I got inform. Pele. I want Pele. I've never got a legend in this. Can you get legends in this? Leave a comment if you can get legends in this. I never like actually got a legend. So it'd be cool to see if we can. Next pack. I'll do like 10 more packs after this. So 10th pack. 10 more packs. Buffon. Right, Sanchez. 9 more packs. 8 more packs. No more. 7 more packs. 6 more packs. 5 more packs. Mute the informs. It's cool. Never seen that happen. 4 more. I'll go with 4 more packs after this. 4 more packs. No, 3 more packs. Yes. 3 more packs. Two more packs. Last pack. And if I don't get anyone good in the next pack, I'm gonna open another one. Just. Oh, I got Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, I'm so gonna open another one. New one. So, open with bronze and silver, then gold pack. See what happens. Bronze, new one. Silver, new one. Gold, gold. Come on, 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 come on. Right, that's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna stop recording.